Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh, it's Five Nights at Freddy's. We're gonna go on straight on to night 2. Ah, man, we've been here before. Oh, hello. What is that thing? So, let's do this. Wow, one of them's gone. Okay. Man, they're already moving.
Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come on stage very often. I've heard he becomes a lot more active in the dark, though. So, hey, I guess that's one more reason not to run out of power, right? I also want to emphasize the importance of using your door lights. There are blind spots in your camera view, and those blind spots happen to be
Piss off.
right outside your doors. So if you can't find something or someone on your cameras, be sure to check the door light. You might only have a few seconds to react.
I'm not even scared.
Danger, of course. I'm not implying that. Also, check on the curtain in Pirate Cove.
Oh, hello. 5 children. Oh, 5 children are linked to the incident at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, where a man dressed in a cartoon mascot led them into a back room. Oh, that's a bit weird. Freddy Fazbear's plan. Oh, wait, Freddy Fazbear. Well, the suspect has been charged. The bodies were never found. Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. What the fuck was that? Did you hear that, Liam? What the?
Is that on the game?
Yeah. What the hell is it? Jesus! Jesus! Okay.
Why was it making that sound?
I don't know. I know what I'm going to call this video.
Huh?
I'm going to call it, what the fuck is that noise?
What were you reading?
Something changes on there. Something changes on there. It's like, it changes from, like, the rules to a newspaper article saying about, 5 children going missing, which is a 5 animatronics. As you know, the Golden Freddy. I'm gonna probably end it there, because that was me playing Five Nights at Freddy's again. I'll put another video up soon, but stay awesome, guys. And if you know what that sound was, can you please let me know? Man, I actually got scared then. Okay, bye.